Hello everybody, I'm Dutch, and today I want to show you the differences in half-inch webbing and what we've done to make our webbing a little bit better. This is an average nylon webbing, and you'll see it's just an average weave. It is really soft, so you can pinch it this way, and the point is how it performs. We make our polyester webbing with these ridges on it, and it also is a real nice tight weave, so you see it doesn't very easily compress compared to how easily this will just fold. And this is a nice strong rigid webbing. We particularly make this for backpack straps, so as you're walking it doesn't loosen, and this is why. These ribs that go on here, they catch not only on all the points of either a ladder lock or the adjustable end of a side release buckle, and not only do they catch on all the different points, but also when they're up against each other, now those ribs are having to grind against each other, so you have less slippage and it works that much better. So not all webbing is created equal. Thank you, everybody.